In the heart of the Guatemalan jungle, shrouded in mystery and enveloped by the dense foliage, lie the remnants of an ancient civilization, the Lost Temples of Tikal. The allure of lost temples has always been irresistible. They are the silent witnesses of history, holding within their stone walls the secrets of civilizations long gone. They are the embodiment of human ingenuity and the testament of our quest for knowledge and understanding. One such place, deeply hidden within the emerald embrace of the Central American rainforests, is Tikal. This ancient city, once bustling with life, now stands silent, its tales whispered only by the wind rustling through the towering ceiba trees. Located in the northern region of modern-day Guatemala, Tikal was one of the most significant urban centers of the Maya civilization. It was a city of grandeur and innovations, a beacon of knowledge and spirituality, the heart of a culture that was far ahead of its time. The Lost Temples of Tikal, these monumental structures, are the living proof of the city's former glory. Yet their discovery was not an easy feat. For centuries these temples were hidden, their existence known only to the jungle and its inhabitants. They were shrouded in obscurity, only to be stumbled upon by chance. The discovery was a revelation, a window into a past that had been forgotten, a past that was eager to reveal its secrets. The temples of Tikal are now silent sentinels, standing tall amidst the encroaching jungle, their grandeur still very much palpable. They are the silent narrators of tales that span over centuries, tales of a civilization that had thrived and then suddenly vanished, leaving behind these magnificent structures as their lasting legacy. The mystery and intrigue surrounding these temples continue to captivate us. They beckon us to delve deeper, to unravel the secrets they hold, to understand the stories they tell. They are invitations to journey back in time, to walk the same paths once trodden by the ancient Mayans. Now dare to journey with me into the depths of history as we unravel the secrets of these magnificent structures. The year was 1848 when the dense Guatemalan jungle released its long-held secret, the city of Tikal. Tucked away in the heart of the jungle, the city of Tikal had been quietly standing for centuries, its grandeur hidden beneath a thick layer of vegetation. Its discovery was no small feat. An expedition, funded by the Guatemalan government, set out to explore the uncharted territories of the jungle. What they stumbled upon was beyond their wildest expectations, a city of towering temples and complex structures, a testament to a civilization long gone. The initial reactions were a mixture of awe and disbelief. These explorers found themselves standing before an architectural marvel that rivaled the great cities of the ancient world. It was a city that time seemed to have forgotten, a city that was home to the Maya, one of the most advanced civilizations of the ancient world. However, the discovery was just the first step of a much larger journey. The explorers faced numerous challenges, not least of which was the dense jungle itself. The lush vegetation made it difficult to traverse the area, let alone carry out any significant exploration. The scale of the ruins added another layer of complexity to their endeavors. The city was vast and each structure seemed more intricate than the last, yet the explorers pressed on, driven by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to learn more about the people who had built such a city. They documented their findings, sketched the structures, and took note of every detail, no matter how small. Each piece of information was a clue, a key to unlocking the mysteries of Tikal and the civilization that had thrived there. The discovery of Tikal in 1848 was not just the uncovering of a lost city, it was the unveiling of a lost chapter in human history. It was a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the Maya, who had built such a city in the midst of a jungle. This discovery marked the beginning of an intriguing journey into the past, one that continues to this day. Following the discovery, began the colossal task of excavating and understanding the lost city of Tikal. The first rays of morning sun would find a dedicated team of archaeologists, historians and local workers, chipping away at the centuries of dirt and overgrowth that had swallowed this once grand city. The excavation was a monumental effort. Picture a jigsaw puzzle with thousands of pieces, scattered across miles of dense jungle, each piece encased in a stubborn shell of earth and time. That was the challenge that faced the archaeologists, but they were not deterred. Instead, they rolled up their sleeves, picked up their tools, and set about the painstaking task of uncovering the secrets of Tikal. As the layers of dirt were carefully brushed away, the unique architectural features of the temples began to emerge. Each temple was a marvel of ancient engineering, with towering structures that seemed to defy gravity, intricate carvings that told stories of gods and kings, and a layout that suggested a deep understanding of astronomy. The hieroglyphs, however, were the stars of the show. These ancient writings, etched into the stones of the temples, provided invaluable clues about the Mayan civilization. They spoke of powerful rulers, epic wars, elaborate rituals, and a deep respect for the forces of nature. Through these hieroglyphs, the archaeologists were able to piece together a narrative of a civilization that was far more advanced and sophisticated than anyone had previously imagined. The key findings from the excavation painted a vivid picture of life in Tikal. There were artifacts that spoke of trade with distant lands, pottery that suggested a rich tradition of art and craft, and remnants of tools that indicated a high level of technological proficiency. The excavation of Tikal was not just about uncovering a city, it was about piecing together a story of a people who built a city in the heart of a jungle, who worshipped their gods with fervor, who battled their enemies with courage, and who, in their own unique way, left an indelible mark on the world. The excavation of Tikal unveiled a civilization lost in time, revealing a sophisticated culture that once thrived in this city. Fast forward to the present day, the Tikal temples stand as a testament to the grandeur of the Mayan civilization. The once lost temples of Tikal, now found and partially restored, are a sight to behold. They rise majestically from the dense jungle foliage, their stone facades weathered by centuries but still displaying the intricate carvings and architectural prowess of their creators. In the heart of Guatemala, these temples are more than just remnants of an ancient civilization. They are recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a designation that underscores their significance not just to the Mayan history, but to the global narrative of human civilization. The Tikal temples hold immeasurable value in the field of archaeology and history, serving as a living textbook, if you will, that provides insights into the socio-political and cultural life of the Mayan civilization. The temple's grandeur and historical importance have also made them a magnet for tourists from all corners of the globe. Every year, thousands of history buffs, cultural explorers, and curious travelers tread the paths of Tikal, their eyes wide with awe as they take in the magnificence of the temples. They marvel at the towering pyramids, the ancient plazas, the stelae and altars, all whispering tales of a time long past yet preserved in stone. As visitors walk through the ancient city, they're not just witnessing history, they're becoming a part of it. Each step they take is a step into the past, a journey through a civilization that was at its peak more than a millennium ago. But with this influx of tourism comes the need for preservation. Measures have been put in place to ensure the temple's survival for future generations. These include restrictions on access to certain areas, regular maintenance work, and ongoing archaeological research to better understand and protect the site. The Tikal temples, even in their ruinous state, continue to echo the stories of a bygone era, captivating the minds of all who visit. Despite their age and the ravages of time, these ancient structures continue to stand, a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the Mayan civilization. The Lost Temples of Tikal, though silent, speak volumes about the civilization that once flourished here. As we delve into the legacy of Tikal, we find ourselves retracing the steps of a civilization that was both remarkably complex and incredibly advanced. The Maya, the original architects of these awe-inspiring structures, were a society steeped in intricate cosmology, sophisticated mathematics, and a deep understanding of astronomy. From the discovery of Tikal, hidden away in the dense jungles of Guatemala, to the meticulous excavations that unveiled its secrets, the journey of understanding Tikal has been nothing short of inspiring. A city of grand plazas, towering temples, and ornate palaces, Tikal was a vibrant hub of Maya culture, a testament to their architectural prowess and their deep-seated connection with the natural world. Today, the temples of Tikal stand as silent sentinels of a bygone era. Weathered by time, they bear the marks of centuries, a testament to the resilience of the structures and the civilization that built them. Despite the ravages of time and the encroaching jungle, these temples continue to inspire awe and admiration in those who visit them. The historical significance of Tikal goes beyond its architectural marvels. As one of the major cultural and population centers of the Maya, it provides a wealth of information about this ancient civilization. The glyphs that adorn its walls give us insight into the religious beliefs, societal structure, and daily life of the Maya. The astronomical alignments of its structures reveal their advanced understanding of celestial movements. The Legacy of Tikal is not just about the past, but also about the future. It serves as a stark reminder of the potential of human ingenuity and resilience. It reminds us of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage, of learning from our past, to build a better future. As we step away from the shadows of these magnificent structures, we carry with us the echoes of an ancient civilization, a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of humankind.